Ware is a complete solution for ergonomics. We're proposing this solution as a part of the Alexa Skill Wizard Challenge. So to quickly give you a briefing of what ergonomics is, it is the idea or study of designing environments and workspaces in such a way that the risk to the human body, risk or injuries to human body is as minimum as possible. Considering that today's working professionals are very ambitious and they want to stay on top of their goals and deadlines constantly, it's very natural that they tend to forget about their health. Despite emerging technologies like smart bands and fitness trackers, there are small things that we tend to forget, like good postures that end up having a long-term effect to our health. So it can be as simple as using a computer, phone, writing, driving, walking. Things like postures for these cases we're very aware of it since like our childhood. But giving into our demands of everyday work, we are forced to forget about them. So that's exactly what this particular idea will try to address. So the whole architecture is as follows. The idea is to make use of positioning sensors in our day-to-day accessories like spectacles and belts for both men or women. So the controller that we've used is an ESP32. It's inbuilt with an accelerometer. So this accelerometer will read a user's positioning data throughout the day, and the controller will push this data to our storage, which is basically DynamoDB. And DynamoDB will enable the Lambda function to constantly make use of this data and try to generate insights with any kind of insights like an average score for the user, or what is it that he's doing wrong, is he looking down too much, is he looking up too much, things like this. And that in turn will power our Alexa voice service, our skill, to give back the user some kind of daily insights. So that's how the whole architecture would work. Let's take a look at the demo quickly, which would give you a better understanding of the whole workflow. Ergonomics.
Hey, I have your ergo scores for vision. Your recent score is 88 on 100. Your overall score is 87 on 100.
What is my score today?
Your ErgoVision score for the day so far is 88 on 100.
What is my overall score?
Your grand total for ErgoVision score is 87 on 100.
Am I safe?
Great ergonomics. A little more care would take you to the top.
How do I improve?
Hey, why is that you keep staring at the sky? Stop looking up too often. Look straight.
The value in the database reflect a lower average. So as you can see, each of these data point is comprised of two values. One being the epoch timestamp at which the sensor pushed the data, and the second half being the value itself. So the value here, like 78, 80 or 30, it is the y coordinate that the sensor pushes to our database. So ideally the y coordinate value when you look straight has to be 100. So if you are looking down, then the y coordinate value is less than 100, and if you're looking up, it's greater than 100. So this rate of difference is what we're trying to reflect in the averages, that is the total score or the today's score that we're giving in the skills. So now I've changed the database to give a lower average. So let's see how our intents perform. Am I safe?
Uh-oh. I don't see good stats here. You have to buckle up and get your ergonomic score up.
How do I improve?
Hey, I understand that you're a humble person, but no need to keep your head down all the time. Tell me, is it that stupid phone of yours?
Stop.
Thank you for trying the Alexa Skills Kit sample. Have a nice day.